Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Grand morning. Today is another foggy morning. I start walking at 5 and I'm on my wrapping up. Now, I am on my wrapping up now. But people, let us talk a little about relationship and how serious you want your relationship and what you have to lose. Now, if you really want a relationship, you must do everything in your power to secure it and to keep it. If you don't want it, leave it. But if you seriously want it, you have to do everything in your power. So you have to love each other. You have to care for each other. You have to protect each other. And most of all, you're not to cheat. Because look here now, especially when you are a billionaire, millionaire, you have a lot to lose. You take up yourself now. You're gone in the public domain. You're gone into the public domain. Gone are the days when people have to employ private investigator to find out if them partner cheating or wait on the tell signs, the coming in late, the unexplained behavior, the withdrawal. You don't have to wait on those signs anymore in your relationship because everybody now putting out everything on the internet. Now, for the life of God, if you are cheating, where the hell you take up yourself now, gone in a one public space go do? Eh? You no must expect say you gonna show, you gonna concert, you gonna all of them public place there. Camera they all about, live they all about. It a go pick you up. It a go pick you up on your sweetheart. And it a bam it out there. Can't come back. It can't come back. So, in this time and age, when you hide, when you're supposed to be hiding, you're married, say you say, you're comfortable with your wife or your husband, and you have millions to lose or billions. Where you take up yourself, gone in a public domain for? Why you do that? If you really want your relationship, why do you do that? Embarrassment come down. Husband and wife are going to divorce you same time. 50% them want. You have things to lose. You have children. You see this internet business, huh? You see this internet business is a serious thing. Serious thing. I remember years ago, there's a guy that came to the company that I was working. And when we asked him for his telephone number, when we asked him for his telephone number, he said that he don't have a phone. And him no want no phone. Because phone will put you in a problem. And it's true. Every striking little thing we take up the phone. Clip, 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 clip. Clip, 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 clip. Put it out there, everything gone out. It's true. The man said he doesn't want a phone. Now look at it. Look at it. Everything you do, be it you put it out or somebody else put it out, it is on the internet. It is on the internet. So you're big billionaire. Take up yourself now. You have a lot to lose. For one of them, first of all, you're going to be so goddamn embarrassed. Because everybody view you and your wife or your husband as this loving couple, as this person who they're so dedicated to each other, not seeing nobody else. And then lo and behold, are you in the arms of somebody else? Eh? Tell me now. Tell me now. You see, one mistake, one little so-called mistake, because all them mistake there, for me, I not really mistake. Them things are purpose. When you have your husband and wife, and you take up yourself, say you're cheating, gone to one restaurant, gone to one concert, gone to one stage show, that's not a mistake. That is purpose. Because you must know, it is the possibility, a great possibility lies that you may be seen. And when you do it without no form of consideration, to me, that is not a mistake. To me, that is purpose. Hi, how you doing? How you doing? Hi, thanks for joining my live. Yeah, I'm talking about relationship, man, and how careless people can be. You know what I mean? So for me, that is really no mistake at all. That is just purpose. So when you get caught, you're not even supposed to have and really seeking any sympathy from anybody. You're not. Because you didn't care. You don't think. People just don't think. If you're not comfortable in your relationship, leave, man. Leave, because people fall in and out of love very often. Daily. So you're with this person for 10 years and you no longer have the connection. Just leave. Leave. Who say you have to stay together forever and ever? Although that's what the commitment says. But it really don't have to be like that. So instead of you putting yourself through all this embarrassment. Pardon me? I have no idea. Yeah. So instead of you putting yourself through this kind of embarrassment and putting your partner and your children, you sit down with your partner, you know, because persons are really not true to themselves and true to each other. Listen, I really not comfortable with this relationship anymore. Point out some things that the partner may be doing, because sometimes it's the partner doing something. So we point out, we come to Jesus moment, and we just talk and come to a decision. So whether you're going to seek counseling to see if you can salvage this marriage, or both of you are going to come to a decision and say, okay, let us go. But nobody embarrass yourself. Don't worry to embarrass yourself and embarrass the children, because a lot of times we stay in relationship because of the children. A lot of us do it. We are not leaving because we say the children. So we stay. But then when you go around and having relationship and you get caught, it is going to be more embarrassment. So cut. Leave. And nobody carry up on camera and plaster your face all over social media. Save yourself that embarrassment. Save yourself. That's what I would do. Save yourself that embarrassment. Space. I'm a Jamaican. So you save yourself that embarrassment. So don't bother with that. Don't do that. Don't do that. And make everybody just live good. Because when you do that, you're going to find out that um, there's going to be a lot of animosity, quarreling, fight, hatred, all of them things are now start to come up. While if you just sit down with the person and say, look, this is not working. It's not working out for me. It's not working out for you. Because when one partner start to distance themselves, is the two persons get affected, and three, because the children. So you save yourself that. Just save yourself that. You hear? All right. So who asking if it's space or English? What you talking about? Tell me now, fan, what you're saying. What is this space? Tell me where you want to know. You make 1 or 2 viewers watch 10? Why you think it's you made them? What did you do? Tell me what you did. Why you made 1 or 2? What did you do? Tell me. Why you think you make 1 and 2 viewers? It doesn't matter if it's 1 or 2. It could be me alone talking. It doesn't matter if it's 1 or 2. It could be me alone talking. I am quite okay. I will stay with my 1 and 2. You know what my mother teach me? 1 cocoa full basket. 1 cocoa full basket. And she tell me, say, don't read your eye off of people things. And your time is your time. So you see, when my time come, no earthly powers cannot stop me. When the good Lord says, it's my time to get 100,000 views and 1 million views, nobody on planet Earth cannot stop me, because I am a firm believer in my God. Okay, fan? You got that? Yeah. All right, everybody. Thanks for listening to me. That's my little take on relationship. And we must remember, just be true to ourselves. Okay? Bye.